Hello everyone, I'm the Illinois Airsofter, and welcome back to another gameplay commentary. Today we are at Pekin Paintball Park for their opening game of the 2019 season. Now, since this was the opening game, we had quite a few old and new faces, and some new players to Airsoft in general. Now this video is going to be highlighting this kid right here. Now this was his first time ever playing Airsoft, I believe, and as you can expect from anyone who has never done something before, there were quite a few things that he had to learn, one of them being team recognition. But I will let the video speak for itself. Anyways, guys, enjoy. Ready.
You think you're gonna get hit right away?
Ready. Gotcha. Perfect time for the battery to die. Perfect time. God damn it. Yeah, hopefully. Did I get you? You okay? Okay. Oh. Oh, sorry. Your hand all right? Okay. In the shed. Yeah. Larry, you got one coming up, Larry. I'm on your team, bud.
That general area, that little creek pushes all the white rock out. I can't believe how many clams were sitting in there. Oh yeah, that's amazing. I went to the hole.
I saw you. I was up on top there, and then I got shot in the back by our teammate.
Are you guys all hit?
We're all hit.
Both teams. There's both teams here, so I'm top out.
I'm just the only one on my team, I think.
Just one?
Yeah.
You don't want to walk back over there and then walk back over here?
I don't want to disappoint them.
You hid. I got you.
There's still a few left. There's a few left.
Left side. Coming up.
He's shooting everyone. He shot me in the back when I was coming down the stairs.
Really?
Yeah, I'm on his team.
Shouldn't have had your back to him.
Just have him go out in front. All right, shoot anyone in front of you. Not behind you. Don't turn around.
Hey, at least he's still out there.
Yeah.
Looking around at me.
Yeah.
I don't know if there's any left.
There's a few left. I went back around and checked.
Somebody shot him.
No, I got friendly fire. I think that's all of them. That was his kill. That was his kill.
That was his kill.
Game over!
Are you live? Are you sure he wasn't on our team?
Yeah.
What color tape did he have?
He didn't have to.
Okay.
Okay. Well, you shot me and I had tape.
I shot you?
Yeah, you shot me when you were in that window. I was right up there. You shot me.
Well, you couldn't touch.
You probably have some on your back there.
Yeah, there's a little bit of red. That's red.
Wait, where's?
Yeah, you shot me. You shot Wyatt. You I know. What's up? Yeah, it's all right.
That's your call. Trigger happy.
So in the end, this kid ended up taking out quite a few players, including some teammates, of course, but I was in no way mad at him. In the end, I really hope he enjoyed going out there and playing, and I hope to see him again on the field. Also, guys, of course, patches are still on sale. Go ahead and head over to dashpatch.club if you want to pick one up for yourself and support the channel. Other than that, I will see you guys in the next video. If you find the bottom of that anywhere, let me know, please.
Oh God, that's
So, yeah, that's the SSP one.
God, it fucking hurts.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Damn. No, like you.
I only have one mag for it, so maybe later, but maybe later.
I have to dick tap somebody with an airsoft.
The
most perfect point.